Changing the language in the Vrbo app can enhance your user experience by allowing you to navigate the app in your preferred language. Follow these steps to change the language settings. Step 1. Open the Vrbo app. Launch the Vrbo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Look for the profile icon or menu option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Find language preferences. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language or language preferences option. Tap on it to view available languages. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Browse the list of languages and select the one you wish to use. Confirm your selection if prompted. Step 5. Restart the app. Close the Vrbo app completely and then reopen it. This will ensure that the language change takes effect throughout the app. Now you can enjoy using the Vrbo app in your preferred language. If you need to change it again, just follow these steps.